We will go to his tourist next time. This is Linz am Rhein. This is the Marktplatz. Sandali ang umikot-ikot kami sa center ng Linz am Rhein. Isa rin ito sa historical city ng Germany. Tinatawag nila itong colorful city in the Rhine. Dahil pagod na ang lahat, hindi na namin napuntahan ang Kaiserberg na sa taas lang konti ng center ng Linz am Rhein. So beautiful. So beautiful. Market today. Churros. Wow.
Apfel, Chardonnay, Schuimwein.
We can each drink it. We will drink.
Yeah.
Orgel. I don't know what is that in English. You can make music of this instrument. Dito mo makikita kung gaano kataas yung water.
Salad. Yeah,